Hello. Welcome to the technical analysis of S&P 500. S&P 500 is at an inflection zone. It is important to watch the key levels. Today, the stock is dropped by 0.1%, and the 30-day trend points to a downtrend. A long-term picture above the 200-day EMA is still constructive, but trading under the 9-day EMA flags short-term pressure or consolidation. Mid-term resistance is clustered near $6,920.34. If current momentum continues, a symmetrical measured move points toward the long-term objective around $7,459.82. The long-term roadmap is now active, with 4 out of 4 key confirmations in place. Confirmed signals include downtrend break, prior high cleared, EMA 50 reclaimed, EMA 200 reclaimed. Based on the length of the prior impulse, an estimated completion window ranges from about 24 to 44 sessions, which is roughly 6.8 weeks. Invalidation sits near approximately $6,609.05 on a decisive daily close below that level. A rising trendline is still acting as support near $6,601.13. There is a recent downward gap between $6,828.05 and $6,829.62 that remains unfilled. If price attempts to close this gap, it could climb by nearly 1.4% from current levels. Momentum is fading. MACD and RSI are both signaling weakness. In a similar MACD cycle between April 22 and May 28, the price saw an increase of around 11.4%. From a long-term perspective, price remains inside the broader trend channel on the longer-term view. Price has recently slipped below its short-term channel, which points to weakness in the near term. The price is trading very close to the 50%, 6735.56, Fibonacci retracement level, with the 38% retracement near 6779.17 below, and the 61% level around 6691.95 above. Looking at S&P 500 today, the market is giving us a neutral read overall. The recent price action has been forming a structure that many traders are watching closely. From a trend perspective, the price is currently above several key moving averages, and this positioning helps set the tone for the broader direction. Momentum indicators add another layer to the picture. RSI is hovering around 47.8, while MACD is below its signal line, which hints at cooling pressure in the current swing. In terms of activity, volume is close to its 20-day average, and volatility, measured by ATR, is holding relatively steady. Together, these shape the energy behind the next potential move. The main level to keep on the radar is around 69.20. If price manages to close above 69.20 and MACD confirms the move, this could unlock a continuation type setup. On the defensive side, the key invalidation area is near 6,609, where this setup would start to lose its reliability. On the map ahead, we are tracking the next resistance around 6,807, support near 6,656, a midterm target around 6,920, a long-term projection close to 7,460. Overall, the structure is becoming clearer, and the coming sessions are likely to decide whether this setup develops into a continuation move or slips into a deeper pullback. Here are the latest updates for S&P 500. The most recent headline is, "No reliable recent headlines were found." That wraps up this technical analysis on S&P 500. If you found it helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel so you do not miss future updates. Thanks for watching.